From the Totally Integrated Automation Portal project, in Project View, expand the Online Access menu item from the project tree. Expand the listing for the communication protocol and device used. Double-click Update Accessible Devices. As the system searches for accessible devices, note the rotating arrows in the symbol beside the networking device in the project tree. When the search is complete, expand the desired drive object in the accessible devices. And double-click Online and Diagnostics. The device opens online. Expand the Functions menu and click Assign IP Address. Enter the IP address and subnet mask to match the application network. And then click the Assign IP Address button. In the Details window under Info, note that the parameters were transferred successfully. This indicates that the IP address was updated. Now we will assign the correct device name to allow communication via Profinet. Click Assign Names from the Functions menu. In the Profinet device name entry box, type in the exact device name for the application. This name must match exactly in all communication configurations within the project. When the name is entered correctly, press the Enter key and click the Assign Name button. Verify that the new name has been assigned by checking the message in the Details window. The drive object now has the correct name and IP address for networking with the project.